Suitcase with knobs. Our escape room gadget include electromagnet, wireless receiver, suitcase, 12 volts power supply, plus additional charger for battery-powered suitcase and keys. Connecting power supply for the electromagnet. In order to release the electromagnet, you need to set correct code with knobs. In this case, correct code is 1234. The suitcase has a power-safe feature that turns off screen when the lid is closed. When the screen turns off, you will hear a beep. LED diodes indicates if the suitcase is on or off. On the back, there are some owner features. There is a hidden save button for saving new sequence, and power socket for battery charger. Battery charge indicator. There's also a key lock for turning the suitcase on or off.